Ransomware is one of the most widely used methods of attack hackers are employing these days. Today, we'll outline 3 quick tips you can use to help keep ransomware off your mobile devices. Coming up next. If you wind up with ransomware on your mobile device, you'll find yourself in a bad spot with few options. All your files will be encrypted, and your only option is to restore from backups, or you'll have to pay a hefty fee to get them back from the hackers. Here are 3 things you can do to minimize the chances of that happening. Number 1, download only from trusted sources. Ideally, only download apps from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. They've got the most robust system in place for ensuring the safety of the apps they offer. And even then, they're not perfect. Make sure to take the time to read reviews and do your research before you install. Number 2, beware of emails from people you don't know. If you get an email from an unknown source and find an attached file or a link to a website, don't click it. This is one of the most common means hackers use to trick people into unwittingly installing malware, including ransomware. Number 3, don't use unsecure Wi-Fi. Now, anytime you use unsecure Wi-Fi to access the web, you set yourself up to be the victim of a man-in-the-middle attack, which can be used to inject malicious code into your device. Try to always use known secure Wi-Fi when you're traveling or away from your trusted network. If you follow the tips we just mentioned and be sure to keep your mobile device's operating system fully updated and backed up, you'll dramatically reduce the chances of winding up with ransomware on your device. If you'd like more ideas on how to protect your networks and devices, give our team a call. We're glad to help.